Hello guys, good afternoon. There is one here TCL split type EC which brought by the one of the aircon technician. His complaint is EO, but when I check, it wasn't appear the EO, but I observed the outdoor board is making on and off. Then afterward I decided to check, troubleshoot what's the problem. When I check the outdoor board, I found out that this IPM is leakage, because there is a way of testing this IPM that you can determine whether it is leakage. It's output UBW. It should not be leaked when you reverse the rod of the multimeter when you are in the setting of diode. So through of this, technician said, it's cooling for a couple of minutes, but it would turn off. So that is the reason why it would turn off the outdoor board, because there is a leakage in IPM. So I replaced the IPM. Now we're gonna test whether it is work or not. We'll wait for the delay of this timer of the outdoor board to turn on the fan motor and compressor. So guys, it's turned on the indoor and outdoor fan motor, and also the compressor is starting to run. Now we have to observe a few minutes if it is working properly. So even the measurement here, we can see that it's okay. You have to test it longer. Now it's going turbonize the compressor. Okay. It's working properly right now. But we have to observe longer before we release to the customer, so that we can be sure that when they go to the job site, it will work 100%. This is the advantage of while repairing. They brought the complete fan motors, sensors, like this, all sensors, door board, so that here we can determine if it is working fine. But but if it is incomplete, we cannot assure that it will work 100% when we are at the job site. That's why I recommended to the customers, every time they bring their unit, it must be complete accessories, so that wasting of time, and we are not be ashamed to the customers. Okay guys, thank you very much. I will stop now. I will switch off the breaker because it consume a lot of currents. Okay, thank you.